Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and on the search bar type in Facebook. And now once you're done with that, check to see if the app needs an update or not simply by tapping on the app. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just go back and then open up your Facebook app, and once you're there, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, which will take you to your menu page, and then on the top right you'll be seeing your settings icon or your gear icon. Tap on that, and once you're inside here under account center, you'll be seeing the option that says personal details. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that again, under account settings you'll be seeing the option personal details. Tap on that once again, and here what you need to do is tap on your birthday. Simply tap on edit and check to see if your age is over the 18 years or not, which is the required age to be eligible to be able to use the marketplace. So once you do that, that basically will fix your issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.